In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a low-fidelity wireframe in your board using Chrome. To get started, open your board in Chrome. Using Chrome helps ensure the board loads smoothly and that all editing tools appear the way you expect. Once your board is open, take a quick look at your workspace so you know where your frame and design tools are located. This will make the next steps feel much faster and more natural. Next, go to the Tools menu and select Wireframes. This is where you'll find ready-made components that are perfect for quickly mapping out a layout without getting distracted by visual design details. The goal here is not to make something polished yet. Instead, you're creating a simple structure that helps communicate ideas clearly. Now begin placing gray monochrome wireframe components onto a frame. Use basic shapes like rectangles to represent sections, cards, images, or content areas. Add input fields wherever a form or text entry area might appear, and use buttons to suggest actions a user could take. Keep everything in a neutral gray style, since that helps preserve the low fidelity look and keeps attention on layout and function rather than branding or aesthetics. As you place these elements, try to think in terms of hierarchy and spacing. Even though this is a rough wireframe, a clean arrangement will make it easier for others to understand your idea. You don't need precision styling here. Just make sure the components are organized in a way that reflects the intended user experience. After that, add simple placeholder text. Keep this text plain and minimal. For example, use short labels for buttons, headings, and form fields, but avoid detailed copy or decorative formatting. The purpose of placeholder text in a low-fidelity wireframe is simply to show what kind of content belongs in each area. By not overstyling the text, you maintain focus on structure and flow rather than final presentation. As you work, remember that low-fidelity wireframing is meant to be quick and flexible. If something doesn't look right, it's easy to move elements around, resize them, or simplify the layout further. That's one of the biggest advantages of working this way early in the design process. Once your wireframe has the essential rectangles, inputs, buttons, and placeholder text in place, you'll have a clear draft that communicates the basic layout of your idea. This gives you a strong foundation for feedback, iteration, and eventually moving into more detailed design work.